Welcome to Section 5 of Assemble's Getting Started tutorial. Section 5 will review 4 components of the user interface that are important for understanding the contents of a model: the model tree, inventory, model viewer, and the properties panel. Start by selecting a project from your dashboard. On the project inventory page, choose a model from the models column. Information in the model tree, inventory, model viewer, and the properties panel are relational. So choosing an object from any one of these UI components automatically highlights and displays the same information in the other 3 components of the application. Let's start by reviewing the model tree. The model tree provides an easy way to navigate, select, and change the visibility of models and their objects in the federated environment. Objects in the model tree are organized by category name, family name, and type name. Simply click on the object to expand its category. Objects with a strike-through are not currently visible, yet you can continue to expand them and understand the objects in their categories. An instance count is located behind each object to identify how many objects are currently visible or not visible in the current dataset. By default, Assemble hides 4 categories. Click on Visibility Settings to see which categories are always turned off. Detail items, furniture, rooms, and spaces are ignored by default. Review Section 6 of the Getting Started tutorial to understand how to turn on these objects and use them for your projects. To take action on items from the model tree, simply select them by clicking on the checkbox next to them. You'll notice that those objects highlight in the model viewer and in the inventory. Because I selected the objects at the category level, all of the objects beneath them in their hierarchy were also selected. Now I can take action on those objects by clicking on Change Visibility. Hiding my selection will hide all the walls that I have selected. Hiding others will hide all the objects that are currently not selected. Unhide selection would be an option if you're trying to unhide objects from the model tree that are currently struck and not visible in your dataset. By clicking on Hide Selection, I'll remove the walls from my dataset. They will no longer be visible in the model viewer, nor will they be accessible in the model inventory. Please watch the next video to review the contents of the inventory in a model and its interaction with the other components in the user interface.